The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon with the ticker symbol AMZN. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I do have my technical analysis course at 50% off right now, only until next Tuesday. So if you guys are interested in learning technical analysis the way I show it on my videos, then you can look in the video description below for the link and get 50% off my technical analysis course only until next Tuesday. So let's start out by looking at the daily chart for Amazon. Right now it looks kind of bullish, but we are at resistance. So let me put a horizontal line of what I'm talking about. You can see this past 103 level was acting as a strong support. Now it is acting as a resistance level, and prices are back at the resistance level. But just because we're back there does that mean it's going to send prices lower? It could, but as right now it looks like we probably can see a breakout towards the upside, and let's go over that reason. So the first reason is like prices look to be inside of a ranging pattern. So this looks like the highs of the range, obviously at the 103 level because it's consistent. The lows are kind of iffy. We don't have a lot of touches on the lows, but I'll use the lowest price action. That probably still makes sense. Even if I drag it up, it still will lead me to the same analysis. And that analysis is that prices, or the bulls specifically, drove up price, broke outside of this range, prices failed, came back inside the yellow range, and then you can see this right here, prices cannot reach the lows or even get a breakout on the bottom side because we got a breakout on the top. That's normally what you expect. You can see that breakout on the top led to prices coming short on the bottom. Even if the range lows are moved up higher, we still came up short. So that tells me that there is a reason for the bulls to continue, or the bulls want to drive price higher because there's a bullish imbalance, probably more aggressive buyers in the market than aggressive sellers that want to drive down price. So since we came up short here, prices rallied higher, and it's finding support at the EMA. You can see the EMA is bouncing prices. Got to bounce here, here, here. So this is just two on a bigger picture. Looks like it's bouncing again. So you technically don't want to go short right into the EMA if it's holding that well. And you can see that sellers try to go short because prices were at the top of the range, but that's probably not a good sign because of this bullish imbalance. Prices being supported by the EMA, and we could still probably get another leg up. So this is all one leg right here. This is the second leg. Bulls are in the formation of the second leg and attempting to reach this target at the 120 level. And if we do a more near-term measured move, this is the first leg higher, and then prices made a two-legged pullback. And this is the second attempt higher, and it's reaching the 109, 110 levels. So either one, it looks like it's bullish. Looks like prices want to rally higher. This was the measured move previously in play before. This one leg down. Looks like bulls or the bears were attempting to reach this, failed because of the bullish imbalance and the EMA acting as support. So as right now, it looks like I would be expecting higher prices for Amazon. And you can see that if I move this measured move back, and if I draw a channel on the swings, again, this is not confirmed. I only see two touches on the bottom. We do have a double test right here, but that's so small, it's almost like one. So we definitely have two, and it's targeting the highs of this channel. So again, this channel is not really valid, but it could be valid if we hit the highs of the channel, which the measure move is pointing at. So it looks like higher prices for Amazon is expected. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart for Amazon. And overall, it looks like prices bounced off the 2020 lows, but prices are downtrending into those 2020 lows. So you definitely see this channel is 100% accurate because look at how many touches we got it. And this was the third touch which confirmed it. We got the fourth test right here, which led to a large rejection down. So this channel is definitely in play. But it looks like the sellers could be weak right now because they cannot attempt to reach the opposite side of the channel. So it's looking weak for the sellers, but the downtrend still in play. We bounced off the 2020 lows. That led to a massive rally higher, so it can lead to another massive rally higher again. But the downtrend is acting as resistance, so you can see that prices bounced off the 2020 lows, got rejected from the channel, came back down, not that far down, came back up. We are finding resistance at the channel, but it looks like the bulls could probably break it because it came up short. Price came up short on this side of the channel, and 2 legs up would take price to right around the 120 level, like I said before. So it looks like that could be the target for the bulls. Now that's if we get a breakout. We are at resistance, but again, there's signs telling me that we can see the breakout. It's probably more likely to occur than sellers just dropping on the price from here. And also you can see that this week was kind of neutral, but last week was pretty bullish. Prices closed back above the EMA, so it looks pretty bullish as of right now. So I'm expecting higher prices for Amazon, and just because we see higher prices in the short term, that doesn't mean we made a bottom and we're going to see higher prices in the medium to long term. Since this is still a downtrend, I'll be expecting the sellers to make a couple attempts lower to retest these lows. We'll see if they are successful or not, but it could play out like that if we see a breakout, or when we see a breakout of this yellow channel. So that's all I have for Amazon this week, and thank you for stopping by. Make sure to check out the rest of my channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.